Sumbawa Island has various hidden natural charms that have not been touched by many tourists. One of them is the Agal Waterfall. This waterfall is still very natural and quite interesting to visit, especially if you really like trekking through the forest. Agal Waterfall is located in the Agal Mountains area, located in Beru Hamlet, Marente Village, Alas District, Sumbawa Regency, West Nusa Tenggara. Approximately 70 kilometers from Sumbawa Besar City or 23 kilometers from Potatenor Harbor, West Sumbawa Regency. Agal Falls is very unique because it has 10 levels. The rushing waterfall broke the cliff in half from its height, then fell between the large rocks. Arriving at the waterfall area, your eyes will be spoiled with stunning views. For those of you who want to have an adventure and visit tourist destinations that are not too crowded, Agal Waterfall and other destinations on Sumbawa Island are the right place to refresh your mind. Agal Waterfall is one of the highest waterfalls on the island of Sumbawa, having a very difficult terrain, time-consuming and tiring to arrive. If we talk about waterfalls, of course there will be no end. This is the form of the antidote to hugs. All of the excess is 2 hours away. The name is Agal Waterfall. The beauty of the jungle is the splash of cold air that cools the surrounding air. Its charm and clarity will leave you unblinking. If visitors bring food or drinks to stockpile during the trip,